So very good morning, my dearest diamond children. Whole world, my diamond children. Come on. Today we'll see. My first class is system of international units. I mean from the physical world of NCERT. Okay. See, dear children, system of international units. Whether it is IIT, JEE, Neet, medical, any entrance, my dear children, what is my point? The blood is conversion of a unit from one system of unit to other system of a unit. How? Like for example, three physical quantity given to you. One quantity in kg, one is in milligram, one is in teragram. Then these all three values don't match to each other, my dearest diamond children. So, like for example, first of all you should know why such misconceptions are there, misunderstandings are there. Japan will say this much of a potato 1 kilogram. America will say same amount of potato, they may say some teragram. Russia will say some megagram. Then finally, if you want to make one common concept to all the countries, then we need to follow system of international D units. I mean, like recently, Corona has made us suffer a lot, right? So, may I know one thing, my dearest diamond children, that Corona named word, was it named by an individual person of India or America, Russia or Italy or Germany? Not like that. WHO, World Health Organization, decided the name. That name is accepted by complete planet Earth, throughout the planet Earth. You got it, my point? What is the necessity of an international unit? No, the unit or the concept should be common for all. Whole world. How many countries are there? All education systems should be one. This is our main purpose, to convert into one system of international unit. Okay? So now I am coming. So before this, first of all, I will make you entertain little bit that what are the some important things we will discuss. What are the physical quantities? Then coming to how to represent them, and physical quantity classification. Yes, children? And then coming to, after the representation, how to write the units, then coming to how to convert them. My main purpose is what? You students, because you're diamond children, cute children, small children, but you struggle like anything. God has given 24 hours. Out of 24 hours, I can say 10 hours you are struggling only to convert. 1 milligram is equal to how much a teragram if somewhere appeared, battery goes down. No, not required. Think that 2023 and 24 good time has come for you. We are there for you always back. Got it, my point on it. So you see how easily you will be guided, you will be helped, my dear diamonds, because you are diamond children. Okay? Come and see. First of all, you need to know what do you mean by physical quantity. Quantity in the sense sometimes you will be speaking how much, less, more, such terminologies are being used by you, right? Nothing. Quantity in the sense, in mathematics you studied, my dear children, like one line segment is there. That line segment you measured with the scale, for example, A to B. So you said it is 5 centimeter. How did you do? You took a scale, okay, and you measured. So you could be able to know that its length is 5 centimeter. Okay, length is equal to 5 centimeter, right? So here length is a physical quantity and 5 is the numerical value and centimeter is the unit. Then I measured with a scale and I represented mathematically. Always you will keep, don't forget, my dear diamond children, that if physics is the body and chemistry is also organ, heart of physics and chemistry is mathematics. Please keep fix in your mind. Okay, somewhere feed it this one permanently in your software or hardware. Okay, yes my children, am I if I am wrong, you forgive me. If I am correct, follow to me. Yes my diamond children. So I mean to say, language and the heart of physics and chemistry is mathematics. Keep in mind this one. Fix in mind. Never you ignore mathematics. Okay children. Now, when I represent the length is equal to 5 centimeter, here there I have 3 segments. Length 5 centimeter. So one small doubt I would like to discuss with you. L is equal to 5. Can't it be written? My dear children, could you speak to me? Sorry? L is equal to 5. Can it be written or not? Yeah, non-officially can be written. But as per our physics rule, chemistry rule, it should not be written such a manner. Why? The length can be 5 years. 5 liter, 5 centimeter, 5 kilogram. For example, I will ask you, my dear diamond children, how old are you? And you are cute children, diamond children. You will say, sir, I am 17, sir, because I am intermediate first year and second year, sir. Okay, I am 16, sir. I am 17. 16 plus, 15 plus. Then I will be thinking, or someone will be thinking, your age is 15 kg. Okay, are you 15 kg? Are you 16 liter? Are you 17 megapixel? Are you 16 byte? Are you 16 kilogram? Can be anything. Got it my point? So never you do such a mistake, my dear diamond children. Because you must mention here unit. That unit only will guide you about the physical quantities measurement. Here measurement of length. I mean, whose measurement you are doing in the measurementation, you must mention its respective unit. If you don't mention here unit, then it gives different meaning. It's a sense totally it's changed. And the measurement become what inconvenience. Scientifically, it's completely blunder. Such blunderness should not be done. Am I clear, my dear diamond children? Right. Then I am coming to here that if you measurementation you are going to use physical quantity means what? The quantity. Mass, length, time, surface area, total surface area, volume, capacity, density. Okay? And Matthew studied this all. Right? Coming to temperature, coming to mass, coming to thermodynamic capacity, capacitance, resistance, resistivity, force, momentum, acceleration, velocity, speed, so on. These are the depend upon physical quantity. In physics, physical quantity. Mathematics, mathematical quantity. Chemistry, chemical quantity. Quantity means what? Don't say quantity means this much. Quantity. Quantity is a thing which can be measured with the help of one instrument or else device. For example, length of one line segment. You want to measure from here to here. Then you need what you have to measure? Length. So length is physical quantity. With what you are going to measure? One scale is required. So scale is the instrument here. I mean length is measured with the instrument scale, right? So that length is a physical quantity. Similarly, when you go near a doctor, first of all doctor will take one thermometer. Okay, we'll keep it here. What is this? Now it's an instrument. And what is going to be measured? Your body temperature. Are you clear? Am I clear to you, my dear children? I mean your body temperature is measured with the help of a thermometer. Getting my point? So, doctor uses a thermometer. So, a thermometer is the instrument. Temperature is the physical quantity. That's all. Right. These physical quantities, my dearest diamond children, they have been classified into two categories. One is the fundamental and one is the supplemental. From this fundamental, again derived physical quantity also have been created. Got it, ma'am? So finally, we can say fundamental quantity, supplementary quantity and derived quantity. Fundamental quantities, how to remember them? Simple one technique I will give you. M, L, L, T, T, A, E, P, L, S, D. Am I clear to you, my dear children? My dearest diamond children, no need to struggle. Very simple manner. M, double L, double T, A, E, P, L, S, D. Whatever derived physical quantity, oh, infinite. You can't count. You can't count derived physical quantity. With the help of a mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, most probably multiplication, division, mathematical operation will be used with all the fundamental quantity as well as the derived supplementary quantity. Derived quantity in math we say derivatives. Many derivatives, unlimited derivatives can be created. How? Let's come. So one by one let me come. M, L, L, T, T, A, E. Okay? M for mass, L for luminous intensity. Yes, my children? L for length, T for temperature, T for time, A for amount of substance, E for electrical energy. Am I clear to you, my dear diamond children? M, mass. Mass. Okay? Mass. Luminous intensity. Mass will be measured in whole world is in kg. And luminous intensity will be measured in candela. Length will be measured in meter. Temperature will be measured in Kelvin. And time will be measured in second. Amount of a substance will be measured in mole. Then electrical energy will be measured in ampere. If it is energy, we have to say joule. If it is current, it is in ampere. Am I clear to you? Yeah, more details we will study. Okay, just directly it is told to you. Similarly, plane angle will be measured in radian and solid angle will be measured in steradian. Derived physical quantity infinite. So we will go one by one now. Okay. This is the list of a fundamental quantity. I mean, my dear children, complete physical world, completely chemical world, whatever the measurement would you like to do, those all comes under this much only. MLL, TT, AE, PLSG. Again, just like this one, Rahim, you can remember M, double L, double T, AE, PL, SD. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, that is equal to total 9. 7 fundamental and 2 supplementary. Final total 9 physical quantities. Basically, must be remembered, my dear children. Later on will be created infinite number of physical quantities. Infinite, uncountable. Now, come to next topic, my dear children. This is gone about the physical quantity. Then question arises, why do we require such physical quantity? Simple one example I will speak. You will speak like today climate is such that we are feeling very hot. Okay, that means you are speaking about the temperature. Our home and my friend's home, generally he comes late and I come first. What are you speaking, my dear children? You are speaking about the regarding length, road length. A 100-watt electrical bulb gives more dazzling, I mean brillianceness rather than a 10-watt electrical bulb. What are you speaking, my dear children? Matter of you are speaking related to luminous intensity. I mean the candela value of a 100-watt electrical bulb is higher than, bigger than or more than one 10-watt electrical bulb. Okay. Similarly, today there was a dinner party. Oh, I had much. What are you speaking? I had much. My God, because delicious items were there, my favorable items were there. So I consumed, oh, like anything. What are you speaking? Which measurement you are speaking, my dear children? Mass. Yesterday I attended the class 10 minutes somewhat late. What are you speaking? Time. H2 is bigger than H, means 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 hydrogen. Definitely they bigger than the other. You are speaking about the amount of substance more. Today there was no power. Power cut was there. So we couldn't sleep today morning properly. We are speaking about electrical energy. Did I speak all? These are only. Similarly, what about the plane angle, solid angle? You must know, my dear children. Don't think it physics and chemistry, mathematics. These MPC 3 subjects are one of what do you call like when never you think that it has come from other planet. No. Scientist, father of physics, scientist Einstein, he also came from the planet Earth only. You, before learning the physics, chemistry, mathematics, first of all compare the concept with your daily life, typical life. Then you can better understand, my dear children. Getting my point? Similarly, plane angle, solid angle. What is the concept of a plane angle, sir? See, I am standing here, my dear children. I want to view at you, I want to look at you, whether you are listening or not. What I did, my children? My body got bent. Okay, 30 degree what did I do? I leaned, I inclined. Okay, that is plane angle. Angle, plane angle and solid angle. Angle in the sense what? Rotation. Rotation, bending. Okay, when you bend forward, suppose I am standing. Yes, I am also creating 90 degree. I am standing. Normal in the sense of perpendicularly. So, the angle between my body with the ground, it is subtended 90 degree. Okay, so this is the concept of what no physical quantity. Okay, children, we will go. So As I told you, my dearest diamond children, that strictly it must be followed NCRT. If you want to gallop, gallop, lion gallops. One step, it skips and jump up on the prey. Am I clear to you, my children? Such a manner you can gallop the Iit-Jee Neet medical by calculation. Because while calculating, you know all the concept, but the unity conversion, that is the most important for you, kindly. Okay? Now, coming to, let us say how to represent the physical quantity, my dear children. For example, this is the whiteboard, right? I will get one measuring tape or else scale. For example, I measure length is equal to, I said approximately 2 meter. Meter means, my dear children, we are adult people, from left arm to till up to the central point, till the central finger, from left arm to till the central finger. Am I clear, my children? Approximately this much will come. Okay. So similarly, if I go for after 30, 3 4 12, 120. 120 in the centimeter in the sense, approximately it is coming or 2 meter. Okay? Then same way, once again I will speak to you, length is equal to 200 centimeter. You may be getting confusion, my dear children. See, very simple way. 2 friends are there. Got my point? 2 best friends are there. 2 best friends are there. 2 best friends. Okay. One is a water pollution and one is a air pollution. Both are the 2 friends, best friends. Water pollution told, I have 5 rupee, but air pollution education level little bit somewhat low. He said, no, I don't understand rupees 5. Okay. Tell me in other way. Okay, 500 paisa. Oh my God. Children, what difference you found, my children? Look at my dear diamond children. He said rupees 5. He said 500 paisa. Both have same meaning. Then what is the difference? Here, when numerical value N1 is larger, means bigger value. Sorry, here the numerical value it is smaller, the size of unit became bigger. Because rupee is bigger than paisa. Yes, children? Similarly, you come to here, near the air pollution, what happened? When 5 became 500, means when the numerical value became bigger or larger, size of unit, instead of rupee, it became paisa. Paisa, unit number 2. It's unit number 1. Now paisa became what? Small. What did you see? This difference only. Again I repeat. When the size of unit is bigger, numerical value is small. Vice versa. When the numerical value is bigger, the size of unit becomes small. Yeah, but finally I will get one relation. 500 rupee is equal to rupees 5 is equal to 500 paisa. 5 rupee equal to 500 paisa. So I can write as a relation N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. This is the one mathematical relation we got. N1 U1 is equal to N2 into U2. Numerical value multiplied by first unit is equal to numerical value, second numerical value and second unit. Both have same meaning. So water pollution and air pollution, they are very good friends because both are polluted. So they understood that, oh, we have same amount of money, then why are we quarreling to each other? Why do we have such type of a conflict? Similarly, my dear children, if you come here, L1 and L2, then coming 2 is N1, 200 is N2, M is U1 and CM is U2. 2 meter or 200 centimeter have the same sense, same measurement. They are not different to each other. Both are same. What is the difference here? Because here when the numerical value is very small, got it? When the numerical value is very small, my dear children, size of unit meter become big. When the numerical value becomes small, then when the numerical value will be big, size of unit will be very small. Similarly here, numerical value is small. Small, big, big, small. Did you get the relationships? 2 meter, 200 centimeter. Okay, when 2 is small, meter is big. When 200 became big, centimeter became small. See here. What difference you found? When the size of a unit will be big, numerical value should be small. I mean, from here we got one relation that L1 is equal to L2 only. I mean 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Similar, so if 2 is my N1, M is U1. If 200 is N2, centimeter is U2. Am I clear to you, my dear diamond children? Are you there or you slept? Did you sleep? Because climatic conditions now disturbing. You are diamond children, active, energetic children. But the problem is climatic conditions sometimes will be disturbing. Am I? So have some ice cream or some cool category food. Then you listen properly. Okay? Come on. N1, U1 is equal to N2 and U2. Yeah, this is the relationship. We got it. So finally, if we want to create one mathematical relation, as I told you on our daily life, N1, U1 is equal to N2 into 5 rupee is equal to 500 paisa. If N1, U1 is equal to N2 and U2, if N1 I transfer this side, U1 will be transferred that side because it into is there. Into become division. N1 by N2, that is equal to U2 by U1. Yes or no? Yes, my dear diamond children, because you know the mathematics transposing. I mean 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 1. Always you keep in your mind, my children, that if America directly proportional to Brazil, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. This is directly proportional. Similarly, if A is inversely proportional to B, then A1 by A2 is equal to, it become B2 by B1. You can easily remember up by down equal up by down. But when inversely proportional is there, up by down is equal down by up will come. So here what did you say? N1 by N2 is equal to U2 by U1. Okay, up by down equal down by up. So therefore, N is inversely proportional to U. This is the mathematical relation. How did you see? When N value become high, U become low. Yeah, see here. See here. When when N becomes small, U become bigger. See, N value 5. 5 is small, rupee is big. Now vice versa. When N value will be big, size of unit will be small. 500 is the big, means paisa is small. And just now many example I gave to you also. Yeah. This is the concept of a representation of a what? Measurement. Whenever we want to measure, instrumentation and measurement, the first concept of a physics, whenever we are going to represent on the paper or on the textbook or notebook, on the record, we have to follow, what did I say you? Q is equal to NU form you have to represent. As I told you, length is equal to 2 meter. Length is physical quantity, 2 is the numerical value and M is the unit. And later on, my dear children, you will come to know N and U. This is 2 meter. This 2 meter can be called as also magnitude. Magnitude. Magnitude means how much value, children? Magnitude. This magnitude has a 2 segmented. One is numerical value, and one is unit. Am I clear to you? My dearest diamond children, am I clear to you? Should I give another example? If you want, 2 meter. Here, 2 meter. If nothing is there, you have to consider as 1. 2 times of 1 meter. That is equal to length. Now we will come to the topic. How to write the units. Units, how to write. Okay. Rules to write units. It's not my creativity. IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, and NCRT. Rule is there, my children. We can't create anything beyond the curriculum, beyond the central syllabus. We cannot. Neither we can add something, nor we can subtract something. What is the fact that has to be analyzed? So, like for example, like as me, crores of lecturers are there, right, children? Same concept. It is conveyed you. It is made you easy through different language. That's all. Come on. Rules to write the unit. First rule, my children. No any unit should be written in, please remember, plural form. Plural form, any unit is not going to be written in mathematics, physics, chemistry, especially physics and chemistry. Mindfully listen. Example. For example, we will say America to, suppose, Delhi to Rajasthan, 700 kilometers. It's a blunder, my children. Why? This is not English grammar that a pen, 2 pens, or 3 pens, or 4 pens. Here S is required because more than 1 pen. To indicate the plural number, you have to use here yes. Am I clear to you, my dear diamond children? So here need not to be written here kilometers, S, not required. Not required. And moreover one thing, maximum student while writing this kilometer, centimeter, whatever the spelling is being written, they write in this manner also. Kilometer, M-A-T-E-R, M-A-T-R. My children, my dear diamond children, may I know what is the difference between meter and meter? Meter and meter. M-A-T-R-E meter, M-A-T-E-R meter. This is the YouTube platform. May I know 24 hours time I will give you. Who can say the difference between meter and meter? Oh, from my heart, one big award, one representation I will give you, my dear children. Okay, this is the one homework for you. Let me see. Come to the topic. Similarly, so it's a blunder. You should write 700 kilometer. That's all. It's not required. Why? 700 kilometer meaning is 700 times of 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer means, for example, one metro railway station to other metro railway station. The distance between the two metro station, exactly according to the engineering calculation, experimented, that is 1 kilometer, right? 1 kilometer, so 700 times. So 700 times itself only, my dear children, plural. Then why to mention here again? Kilometers, not required. 100 meters, 3 centimeters, 40 liters, 50 liters, 100 years, 300 years, 20 years, 5 years. Such plural form are not allowed, not permitted. Okay? Similarly, one example I am telling. For example, we purchased yesterday one almirah. Almirah's height is we are telling sometimes 7 feet. Feet. Oh my God. Feet, it's a blunder, my children. Feet named, such a concept is not there. That is 7 foot only. Foot. You can otherwise mark, you can representation is 7 foot. Similarly, 9 inches. 9 inches. You can't write this one. Inch only. 9 inch, that's correct. 9 inches is not required. Is it clear? So, first rule, is it clear, my dear diamond children, to you? That no any system of unit should be written in plural form. No plural form. Okay? Always singular only. Because the magnitude itself only give the plural form. Because it's measurement is only. Right. Coming to rule number 2. Rule number 2 is, while writing the system of units, very important thing you need to take care, my dear children. If the unit has been selected as per any scientist name, to honor, to give the respect to his respective field of discovery. For example, force is measured. Force what? I am pushing this one. It has some force. Force is equal to, suppose, 301 Newton. Or you can write 301 Newton. But don't write Newton. Don't write Newton. It's blunder. It's correct. Keep in mind that Newton or Newton, it's correct. Whereas meter. This is not a scientific unit. This unit has not been selected as per the dignity of any scientist's discovery. To honor his field of discovery. It is a non-scientific unit. It's a scientific unit. What are scientific? Many more are there. Kelvin. How to write Kelvin? Kelvin. Higher case will come. Okay? Upper case will come. You say generally small letter, capital letter. Don't say like that. Kelvin. Or don't write like this. Kelvin. Whenever you are writing the expanded form, full form, all the letters should be lowercase letter. If it is scientific unit. Am I clear to you, my dear diamond children? Or if it's short form you are writing, you have to write capital letter. Nothing but uppercase letter, higher case letter. If it is scientific, you remember only, fix in your mind. If the unit has been selected as per any scientist name, its full form should be written in a lowercase letter. All the letters should be lowercase. Or short form should be written in a higher case letter or uppercase letter. If the unit is not a scientist name, you need to follow as per the English grammar rule. Like for example, Delhi, D letter will come higher case always because it is a proper noun. In English grammar you are studying. Similarly, M, here grammatical rule will be followed. Here no grammatical rule will be applicable here because it is a technological subject. Okay? Lower case will come meter. See, reverse just you have to remember. That's it. Sometimes what do we do? While we are representing, we don't take care. Whatever we want, we are writing. For example, we are writing like this. Distance between from A to B point is equal to 10 centimeters. You are writing. Don't write S. Similarly, C, it should be somewhat higher case. So don't write in that. Okay? Got my point? Alright. Rule number 3. It is very important for you. Rule number 3, children, that for example, kilogram, meter into second. But kilogram per meter per second. It's not permitted. More than one slash or division symbol is not allowed, children. only single oblique symbol only will be permitted. Under the oblique symbol or division, it's nothing but kg divided by meter into second. Its meaning is kg divided by meter, again divided by second, again divided. No, it's wrong. It's completely blunder. It's not allowed only. What is my point? So coming to only single oblique symbol is permitted while writing the system of units. While writing the units, keep in mind that whatever we want, we should not write it. Rule number 3. Coming to rule number 4. Are you copying? Copy. I am going very slowly, no problem. Okay, because you need to note down so that it will be fruitful for you and it will be workable for you in future. Okay, right. Rule number 4, mindful listen. For example, I am writing. I want to write, for example, Newton into second. Here, Newton into second. One unity I want to write. Here, Newton is scientific. Second is not a scientific. So you are not supposed to give here multiplication sign. You need to give an hyphen. It's blunder. Such notations are blunder. It's correct. Am I clear to you? This is the rule number 4. Mindful listen. Okay. Finally, while writing the units, most one important thing you need to remember that last rule number 5. This is very simple and the most important. For example, speed you want to add or subtract with velocity. Speed is measured with meter per second. Velocity also meter per second. When you add or subtract, answer will come meter per second only. Because they are like. Velocity. Magnitude is speed. Scalar form, vector form. We are coming. Just wait for a time. The vector direction is there. There is no direction, scalar form. Yes, my children? My dear diamond children, am I clear to you? It's a vector. It's a vectorial form, it's a scalar form. So what should be done? You need to give here, when you give the magnitude, when the direction is removed. After the removal of the direction, it becomes a scalar form. Am I clear? I mean, two physical quantity can be added and subtracted if they have same unit and same dimensional formula. And when we add or subtract, we have to get same unit only will be coming. Okay? And now only I am concluding the final in here only. But when mass you multiply with the velocity, for example, I mean when two different physical quantity you are multiplying or dividing, then you have to get a new one again. Mass into velocity. You are going to get a momentum. P is equal to mv. When you add and subtract, same unit will be created, same physical quantity will be created. When you multiply and divide, for example, mass divided by, suppose I want density, then a mass by volume equal to density. Density is equal to mass by volume. Mass is a different physical quantity. Volume is a different physical quantity. When I divide that, I got it a density named one new physical quantity. So this was my video class, my dear children, for you. It is one wonderful gift for you. Got it? That while writing the system of units, don't be careless. Take care properly. Yeah. Now coming to the trick starts now. So most probably the wonderful trick going to be gifted, my dear children, from our bottom of the heart, because This Poonam's integrated coaching classes has multiple branches throughout the India, and we have physical mode and online mode. I mean both online and offline. Mode of education do we have to build up your career, to make you mega success. Nothing else. Our motto, our purpose is like as you diamond children should reach in apex, climax position without having any tension, without struggling the math, physics, chemistry, without any struggling. What do you mean? Easily, with the easy trick with finger only, you should convert it and you should score the rank and you should fulfill your dream and you should fulfill the dream of your parents, because your parents are diamond, so that your diamond children. Come to topic. Now, my dear diamond children, so I am going to give how to convert one system of a unit to other system of a unit. One system of unit to other system of unit. How to change? Okay, one simple example I would like to tell you. Force given 2 kg, then coming to acceleration given 3 centimeter per second square, mass given 1 milligram, 10 milligram. Force, so suppose force is the question for you, acceleration given, mass given, find the force. So what do you do being you are, because you are innocent children, right? Whether it has been guided to you or not, I can't say. But from my bottom of heart, I would like to tell you that children, as you know force formula mass into acceleration, simply what you do, you substitute mass value is 10, acceleration is 3, 10 3 is 30. This is your purpose. Numerical problem whenever we are going to solve, you least bother. What happens? You least bother about the system of a unit. Whether it is the same system of unit or a different system of unit, you least bother. What do you do? Simply, see, F equal to MA. Mass equal to 10, A equal to 3. I mean one toddler, one infant, one small child also can multiply 10 to the 30. It's blunder, my children. 100% blunder. You are not supposed to calculate in this manner. So my technical one word, it's a very wonderful gift to you. One trick, please remember, whenever physics and chemistry, any numerical problem you are going to solve, before solving, think that solving is the building. Before entering the building, first you see that the main gate is opened or it has been locked. It's opened or it's closed. First you check. That is the system of unit, my dear children. Okay? So your first gate is not opened. See, it is not qualified. Centimeter per second square, milligram is not qualified. Because centimeter is in CGS system. Milligram also in CGS system. But here centimeter per second square, here milligram is there. Got it? Then both cannot be simplified, should not be. You need to keep acceleration in meter per second square and mass must be kept in kg. Then only you are going to solve. Then how to keep? What will you do generally? Now you children, I think from class 1 to till up to the 10th class, how did you study? I do not know. You will go like this. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore 1 centimeter is equal to, this one you divide like this, 1 by 100, that equals 0.01 meter, 1 centimeter. Again similarly, 1 kilogram is equal to 10,000 gram. Therefore 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000, that equal to 0.001 kg. 1 gram. Again that 1 gram you have to convert into milligram. It means it's a one kind of, what do you know, struggle. You have to do struggle. Why unnecessary job? Why? When you are a diamond children, why to struggle? Tell me. No need to struggle. So, keeping these all the problems in mind, these all the problems point of view, we have come forward for you, my dear children. Entire world, students, they are struggling like anything, I can say. So, this gift is going to be given to you. 2 gifts will be given. You keep in mind. Then, our serial video, entire physics, NCRT, Iit-Jee, Neet. Okay? Continuously you can watch to also. So today, just I am concluding my class. 2 techniques, sequence I am giving to you. 2 guns I will provide you. Next video I will provide you with a bullet. You can shoot to directly to physics and chemistry. I am telling you. Direct you can shoot to. See, I am telling from heartfully. Physics and chemistry should get scared of to you. They should, physics and chemistry, both bunty and bubbly, both should get afraid of you. You should not get afraid from physics and chemistry. But physics and chemistry will look at you. Physics and chemistry should incline in front of you and should invite you by smiling, not by like Fabiak or something else. Got it, my point? Nothing. See. So I am giving to you gun number 1 and a gun number 2. 2 guns, just this is serial. The sequence, whatever I will give the prefixes, I will give you the prefixes, my children. These prefixes just to keep in mind. Okay? Gun number 1. This is the order of magnitude 10 to the power plus or minus n, means 10 difference. And these are the 10 to the power plus or minus 3n, order of magnitude. Am I clear? So, along with me, slowly note down, please. Okay? Come. First of all, let me give this big gun number 2 because it's 18 are there. Total 18 are there. Yes, children? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then many more I will give. Okay? What the first one is? Yocto, Jepto. Yocto, Jepto, Otto, SI. What is this SI? Later I will speak you. Yocto, Jepto, Otto, SI. Femto, Pico, Nano, SI. Nano SIM card you are using. Micro SIM card you are using. Yes sir? Micro SIM card. Nano SIM card. Then coming to megabyte, you are getting the internet messages. That time, what happens? If you do not know this, my dear children, then our country will be like this only condition, because you are the future of this our country. Whenever in the market, so many, what you call, phone recharge centers will be there. If you do not know these all the notations, how do they deceive you, misguide you, do you know? How do they collect money from you, do you mind, dear children? See, they will tell like that. See, you check a message. In the message it will be written, 500 MB I did recharge. But you paid money for 500 MB. Pronunciation same. See, it is not our social relation that Papa, Daddy, Father, Achan. In our Malayalam, we say it is Achan, he is Achan, okay? Papa, Daddy, Father, Achan, Nana. Getting my point out. These all terminology indicates head of our family, father only. But it's physics. See, size of a letter, a lowercase, uppercase, small letter, capital letter. They have a heaven and hell difference. Sky and earth, how much difference is there? That much difference is there. A byte. So you paid money for this, but recharge was done for this. A millibyte means this much. A megabyte. Oh my God. Mega. Something is divided by 10 to the power 3. Something will be divided 10 to the power 3. 1 byte you have to divide 1000 times. But here, 1 byte you have to multiply 10 lakhs times. Got it? So you will be deceived. Be careful if you do not know this all. And that too, unit conversion not there. You can't get the proper option also in the Iit-Jee Neet exam. Must. Okay. Come to that sequence. You have to chapter auto SI, femto pico nano SI, micro, milli, SI. Then 10th one is coming, kilo, 11th, 12th, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You have to chapter auto SI, femto pico nano SI, micro milli SI, kilo, mega, giga, SI, tera, pita, exa, SI, jita, Vayota, Therun SI, End SI, Therun means end SI, ended, completed, finished SI. Yekta chapter auto SI, femto pico nano SI, micro milli SI, kilo mega giga SI, tera pita exa SI, jita, Vayota, ending SI. Why I am telling this one ending SI? In our Malayalam we say Therun. Okay. To make a rhyme, this has been given for IIT NEET and medical, then come into JEE also. Any entrance. Unity conversation is must mind, dear children. Because first door will not be opened. If you break, then problem. Muscle power you can't apply. My diamond children have more muscle power. You can't. So what you have to do? With this gun only you have to shoot. Then that lock will be opened easily. The main gate will be opened. After that main gate will invite you. Diamond children, come. Come and calculate. Easily you can calculate the numerical problem. Are you getting my concept, my dear children, my diamond children? This gun I am giving to you, and next class I will give you the bullet. You will shoot easily. And do you know? One miraculous thing is being spoken to you there. No pen, no pencil, no any study material. Nothing is required. Physical, nothing. With the finger point only. With the finger only can be calculated easily. It's my commitment to you. Okay? We 35 lecturer total team's commitment to you. Got it? Right. And you need to remember that. This one once just you note down the sequence. And more details I will speak you. Got it? Yepto will be denoted by symbol lower y, jetto lower z, auto lower a, femto or Fermi. You can say Fermi also. It is double name. Fermi. Pico lower p. Nano lower n. Micro or micron. You can say micron or micron. Milliam. Children, this is changeable. According to the situation, it will be changing. As per the requirement. In the problem. How? Just small break I am giving. For example, your question is related to time. Then you have to sing the song like this. It's also one kind of song also. Yoctosecond, jeptosecond, autosecond, femtosecond, picosecond, nanosecond, microsecond, millisecond, second, kilosecond, megasecond, gigasecond, terasecond, petasecond, exasecond, zittasecond, viotasecond, and endosecond. Suppose a problem has been given related to force. Then force international level is measured in Newton, so it is Newton. Then everything become Newton because these are the prefixes I told you. Hectonewton, Jeptonewton, Ottonewton, Femtonewton, Piconewton, Nanonewton, Micronewton, Millinewton, Newton, Kilonewton, Meganewton, Giganewton, Teranewton, Petanewton, Hexanewton, Zetanewton, Yotanewton, Newton. Clear? Similarly, capacity of a pen drive or a memory card or any chip card capacity, it will be written there 1 TB, 2 TB. Suppose external hard disk you are purchasing, it will be written there 1 TB, 4 TB or GB. B means what? Byte. Then this become byte. Because it is international system I meant. Then everything become byte. Got it? Octobyte, Zeptobyte, Ottobyte, Femtobyte, Picobyte, Nanobyte, Microbyte, Millibyte, byte, Kilobyte, Megabyte, Gigabyte, Terabyte, Petabyte, Exabyte, Zettabyte, Yottabyte, and byte. So on. Clear? Then come to milli. Now onwards, more than SI, 10th to till up to 17. Mindful, keep in mind. From 10th to till up to 17, these are the bigger than the system of international unity. These people are called as a multiple. These are the multiples. And the less than 1 to till up to 8, these are called as submultiple. Submultiple. Less than, submultiple means less than. Like in normal, you will be speaking multiple of a 5 rupee, multiple of a 10, 100 rupee. Multiple of 100 rupee means what? 100 ones are 100, like a table. Multiple means what? Multiple of a 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 table, 2 in a general formula. Like in chemistry, from general formula you are writing alkane, alkene, purpose, like that general formula. Multiple of a 7, 7 in a general formula. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, so on. Am I clear to you, my dear diamond children? Multiple. More than SI, multiple. Less than SI, submultiple. Click. Got it? Kilo will be higher. Okay. Then coming to 10. Mega higher M, Giga higher G, Tera higher T, Peta higher P, Exa higher E, Jitta Z, Yotta Y. And this is just one addition to make you just perfect. Got it? So this is the gun number 2. So its analysis will be spoken to next video. Yes, my dear diamond children. This sequence everybody you keep in mind. With finger only you need to keep. 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 15. Like this you have to remember. Either from up to down or down to up. That is your choice. This world is yours, okay? This total physical world is yours, my dear diamond children. No problem. Your choice. Your choice is my choice. Your happiness is my happiness. Getting my point? Your pleasure is my pleasure. There is no problem. Got my point? Come on. You need to remember in this manner. Yocto, Jepto, Otto, SI, Femto, Pico, Nano, SI, Micro, Milli, SI, Kilo, Mega, Giga, SI, Tera, Peta, Exa, SI. Jitta, Yotta, I point SI we say, or ending SI or finishing SI. Again I repeat. 5 3 is 15 and from here 3, 18. Come on. Yocto, Jepto, Otto, SI, Femto, Pico, Nano, SI, Micro, Milli, SI, Kilo, Mega, Giga, SI, Tera, Peta, Exa, SI, Jitta, Yotta, ending SI. Or end SI. Am I clear to you? This is gun number 2. Similarly, gun number 1 also today I am giving. Okay, just this sequence you remember. Gun number 1. That is milli, centi, deci, SI, deca, hecto, kilo, SI. Just this is 7 only. Only 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, my children? This is also necessary. But for a normal calculation purpose, milli, you note down properly, I am telling you. Milli, centi, deci, SI, deca, hecto, kilo, SI. Kilo word. This is one a common word, my dear children, in newspaper, or dependent interview, it will be written that salary will be paid 75k, k 75k, k per kilo means 1000, 75,000 k per this kilo. The representation of k indicates 10 to the power 3, nothing but 1000. Yeah. So these both the gunner, just what you do, sequence wise. Don't jumble here and there. Okay. See, both the guns have been given in multiple books. Everywhere it is given. Everywhere. I said you lakhs, crores of. We are not the best, my dear diamond children. You are only the best. You diamond children only the best. When we teach you, we become best. Because there is a magnetic relation between you and us. When we teach you, the magnetic power we get from you to us only. Because we are what? Just learner. We are learning from you only, my dear diamond children. Am I right? Right. Don't think that I'm making a comedy. No. It's the fact. It's the fact. You young generation, you youth mass is the property of our country. India's property is you youth, you young mass. Diamond boys, diamond girls. Oh my God. Superpower America sometimes get vibrated because manpower. America has money power, but manpower. Manpower. India has manpower. They have money power. Who printed money? Man only. Man, money. Men and money. First man, then money came, right? That you remember. India has a manpower. So you are the backbone of our country. You are the only the best. We are just learner. We are learning from you only. Okay? Right. These two guns just to keep in mind. Again I repeat both the just guns like just as a rahim, just like as a song. Whenever you are having the food, whenever you will be sitting with your family member or your friend, brother or sister or own family member, whenever you are sitting, yeah, or school classmates, got my point, school college classmates or lecturer, when you are sitting. Very simple way you can. Milli santi desi SI dekka hetto kilo SI. This is the gun number 1. I repeat. Milli, centi, deci, SI, dekka, hecto, kilo, SI. Don't go forward, okay? 7, total 7. Beyond 7, don't go. But some students, they practice in this way. No problem. Your choice. I told you, your choice is our choice only. Yes, sir. Your selection is our selection. Got it? Your pleasure is our pleasure. Because your mega success is our journey. Remember this sentence I will be repeating, okay? Your mega success is our journey. My diamond children, whole world diamond children's mega success only is our journey. So you please, milli, centi, deci, SI, dekka, hecto, kilo, SI, no problem. This is gun number 1. Nothing but song number 1. Come to song number 2. Yocto, jecto, octo SI, femto, pico, nano SI, micro, milli, SI, kilo, mega, giga SI, tera, pita, exa SI, jita, iota, ending SI, finishing SI. That is only finishing SI. Actually, there was one deficit, so we have added that one to make one rahim. Good luck, my dear diamond children. Okay, all the best, and keep this one in mind. And let's will meet in the next video. It's analysis. Today I provided to gun. Without bullet, what will you do? Without bullet, how will you shoot to? No. Shooting purpose next video. We will meet each other and I will teach you as a shooter. How will you shoot physics and chemistry? Getting my point or not? Any calculation. Any calculation, okay, can be shooted easily with a single bullet, my dear children. Single bullet. So, I provided you 2 guns. Tomorrow I will provide you 4 bullets actually. But all the 4 bullets origin from 1 bullet only. Only 1 bullet if you know. And that bullet is also very simple, my dear children. Very simple. Okay. So finally, gun 2 and gun 1 serially. You write down in a paper and sit with me. Next video, you need to sit in front of the video And you have to calculate within me also, so that it will be easy for you. Have a nice day, good luck, and God bless you. Happy Friday to one and all, and God bless you. All the best. Good luck.